Morning everyone. This class is about hypo and hyperactivity and related disorders. In that, what we are going to see is dwarfism, acromegaly, cretinism, goitre, exophthalmic goitre, diabetes and Addison's disease. Let us into the class. Dwarfism. Dwarfism in the sense the growth hormone secreted by the pituitary gland. The pituitary gland is present in the brain. So this gland is responsible for the secretion of growth hormone. Let me take the pointer. It is the growth hormone secreted by the pituitary gland is responsible for this one. How in the sense when the pituitary produces insufficient amount, it produces insufficient amount of growth hormone. So growth hormone is very very important. You can see in this picture, this is not the normal height of the human being. So these people are dwarfs, called as dwarfs. Okay, they are very short. They are very short. They are not in normal height. So these people are called as dwarf. Why? In the sense the growth hormone which is secreted by the pituitary gland is not sufficient. So they are undergrowth actually to say. Okay, so this is called as dwarfism. Okay, next one, if you see, it is acromegaly. What is acromegaly? In the sense the just opposite to the dwarfism. Okay, so what is dwarfism in the sense? Short, very short the people are. Acromegaly in the sense they are very very tall, gigantism it is called. So just opposite to dwarfism, it is gigantism. Okay, so you can see in this picture, see he is a dwarf and he is acromegaly. Okay, this see the height, it is not normal height, it is somewhat abnormal. So that is called as acromegaly. Acromegaly is how it is in the sense over secretion or excess secretion of the growth hormone by the pituitary results in acromegaly. Okay, so this is the difference. You can see the dwarfism and acromegaly. And GIAS Academy is offering foundation program for IIT JEE and NEET to class 6 to 10th and advanced program for class 11 and 12 at the school campus itself. So interested members can contact, and the fee is very affordable. And the following numbers you can contact and get the details. Thank you. And next disease, what is that? In the sense Graves' disease. So this is also known as exophthalmic goitre. Okay, exophthalmic goitre in the sense you can see a swelling at the region of neck. Can you see this one? Swelling at the region of the neck. That is because of the swelling of the which one? The gland, as well as the over secretion or overactive of the thyroid gland. Okay, this gland is called as thyroid gland. So this is because of this over secretion as well as the enlargement of the gland makes this neck region. Okay, neck region is enlarged in the sense something happens to the thyroid gland. We can assume it. Okay, so that is called as exophthalmic goitre. It is hyperthyroid. It's hyper in the sense excess secretion of thyroid. Okay, thyroid hormone. So that is what called this one. So it is an autoimmune disorder. It's otherwise called as autoimmune disorder. This commonly found in kids, and the thyroid become overactive and it secretes too much thyroid hormones. That's why this neck region is going to become a little bit bulged one. Okay, so this is called as Graves' disease. Next one is goitre. When the level of the thyroid hormone is too high in the blood, it shows a symptom like excess sweating and a weight loss. Okay, so from the symptom itself we can understand something happens to the thyroid gland. Okay, so it also leads to the amplification, that is the swelling of the thyroid gland. You can see here clearly and this condition is known as goitre. Okay, this condition is known as goitre. This is either due to the deficiency of the iodine or hyperthyroidism. Hyperthyroidism in the sense oversecretion of the thyroid gland or the thyroid hormone. Okay, so this leads to goitre. And now next one is diabetes mellitus. What is diabetes mellitus in the sense? You can see this is the duodenum and this is the pancreas. Okay, inside the pancreas there are islets of Langerhans. Okay, this only secretes the insulin. Okay, insulin as well as the glucagon. So if it is in less, then the person will be susceptible to diabetes mellitus. It is commonly known as diabetes. Okay, actually the name is diabetes mellitus. Commonly it is known as diabetes. Okay, so in which the glucose level is high due to insufficient secretion of insulin. Okay, see, this is the normal secretion, so the insulin is coming and the glucose will be absorbed by the cell. Okay, here the pancreas is failed to secrete the insulin, so the glucose level in the blood is increased. Okay, increased, so this person is susceptible to the diabetes mellitus. Okay, here what happened, this is type 2 diabetes. So in type 2 diabetes, insulin secretion is going on, but the cell is somewhat it is not in a proper position to receive this glucose. That is, the insulin receptor is not accepting this one. So this is the type 2 diabetes. Okay, so these are the conditions what we have seen in the diabetes mellitus. Okay, the excessive thirst, weight loss, frequent urination are the certain symptoms of this disease. Okay, so what is that? Weight loss, excessive thirst, in the sense it is the symptom for this diabetes mellitus. Next, let us see the Addison's disease. Okay, so this is a condition. See what you are seeing, in the sense normal persons can stand straight, isn't it? But Addison's disease, in the sense what is happening here, the extreme weakness, dehydration, in the sense it is the symptoms for this Addison's disease. Okay, that is adrenal insufficiency. Adrenal insufficiency in the sense adrenaline. Okay, adrenaline hormone is not if it is not secreted properly, in the sense that person will be affected with this disease. Okay, then cretinism. It is an endocrine disorder caused due to deficiency of thyroid hormone. So cretinism is a type of hypothyroidism. That is hyper, we have seen, that is goitre. Okay, hyper in the sense excess secretion. Okay, this is due to hypo. Cretinism is due to hypothyroidism. Okay, that occurs in infants or kids, and it leads to mental and physical growth impairment. Okay, and this is what. Next, if you see JAS Academy is offering IIT JEE NEET as well as the CA program at your school campus. So interested schools can contact. The fee is affordable. You can contact the following numbers. Thank you so much. This video is very important for NEET examination. So pass this video or share this video to your friends, those who are preparing for NEET. Thank you so much.